Now, if your patient is for X-ray only, do not remove the tie rope at the medial upright. Because right after X-ray, we're going to reapply again the traction. Remember, itong medial upright natin, ito yung nasa singit. So, kung tatanggalin niyo yan at i-reapply niyo ulit yung traction niyo, already you will be touching the private part of the patient. Kasi nasa singit yan eh. So, if the patient is for X-ray only, do not remove your tie rope at the medial upright. So, if the patient is for surgery, okay lang, tanggalin na kasi right after surgery, hindi naman na ilalagay sa traction ang pasyente. Okay? Then now we're going to remove the traction weight. So, sabi natin, traction must be continuous. So, before removing your traction weight, ano muna ang gagawin natin? Ha? Manual traction muna tayo. Okay? Apply manual traction, then remove now your traction weight. Yung iba naman, pag sinabing remove the traction weight, tatanggalin lahat, pati yung traction rope sa Steinmann pin holder. Do not remove your traction rope to the Steinmann pin holder. You just secure it on the resistance para may continuous na hila. So, isang ikot sa resistance. The middle curve hits that to the Thomas spline. Another curve hits that to the Pearson attachment. And then you just cushion the rope just to prevent it from hanging. So, kahit na natanggal na yung traction weight natin, diretso pa rin, oh. Diba? May hila pa rin. Okay. So, now we're ready to transfer the patient from the bed to the stretcher. Now, where are you going to place the stretcher? Sa affected or unaffected side? Ha? Saan natin ilalagay yung stretcher? Affected or unaffected? Unaffected. So you have to place your stretcher on the unaffected side, idikit dito sa kama. And then you support the affected extremity, ibaluktot yung walang kapansanang paa, and then advise the patient now to move towards the stretcher. So that is how to transfer your patient from the bed to the stretcher. So even if you are alone, you can transfer the patient. You don't need to call the manong and the manang to help you in transferring the patient. Kahit mag-isa ka lang, hindi mo naman, you don't have to bring the patient na gaganunin mo pa. You will just support the affected extremity, then yung pasyente, baluktot yung walang katansa ng paa, usog lang siya, kasi nakadikit naman yung stretcher. Okay? So that is how to transfer your patient from the bed to the stretcher. Now, the nursing care will be discussed by your respective clinical instructor, and that ends your orientation, and have a nice day. So you get wait for your clinical instructor outside. Nandun ang mga clinical instructor.